little video. Quite interested in what people think of my proposed workshop design. So my workshop is in a 22 metre by 8 metre long building, or will be when it's built. The foundations are in. The majority of it will be for storage of cars, which will be completely uninsulated. But at the end of the garage, accessible from within that garage, there's garage doors, and that's how you enter the workshop. So the idea would be is that you drive the car in to the workshop and park it above a scissor lift which is embedded into the ground there. You can see it sticking out the bottom there, and be able to work in comfort. So let me just zoom back out and remove these walls. And this is the plan of the workshop. So be able to park whichever car I'm working on. I'm a big fan of Citroen DS's, so that'll definitely be one of the cars I work on. The lift controller is just in front of the car there. I've allowed space around the car so that, well, you can work on the car and not have any clutter around you. I've put some shelving at this corner here for larger items, spare parts, etc. My welding and toolbox in front there, and then a good deal of workbenches with vice, a bench, pillar drill, a bench grinder as well, and lots of shelving on the walls. I'm curious as to what people think. If you've got any suggestions of what I may have missed, or would you suggest things in different positions, I'd be grateful for your opinion. Cheers.